What's up, y'all? It's Oklahoma's Most Hated. Today I was rolling into Walmart to do some Christmas shopping. We got a clean 90s model Fox body. Man, look at this thing. Big turbo LS. He's doing it up right, man. Check it out. Give y'all a quick walk around real quick. It's beautiful, boy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I ain't gonna get his tag in there. Never know. He might be going a little too fast, you know. Oklahoma's Most Hated. Can't drive your street car to Walmart to do some Christmas shopping like he can. Yeah, what's wrong with y'all? You don't want to test him. Promise you don't. Boy, you roll up next to this Fox body in Norman, Oklahoma. Don't test him. Because he going to hit that little red button right there on you. He going to hit that button. And then it's going to be all bad for you. He's just going to leave your entire smoke like my clip. Unless he hook up like all the rest of you guys say. But, oh, hold on. You got to be careful now. Ain't no lines in them, boy. You know what that mean? That mean business, boy. Hey, it ain't no lines in them tires, so you know what that mean. That mean business, and that also mean that he can't get pulled over. Anyway, hey man, this thing is beautiful, bro. Y'all, come on. Man, he got turbo for days on here. You got it done right. Oh yeah. Got the whole setup. Hey man. It's a nice car. Big turbo LS with a clean notch. Boy, I love me a notchback Fox body. Hey, I tell y'all what, this right here, this notchback will be the only Ford you'll ever see me purchase. I promise you, because these things right here is purty. I want me a drop top. Dayton's on it. I'm trying to look like what's his name? You know what I'm talking about. Menace to Society, hey man. This thing is wicked. Y'all gonna have to check it out. Wait. Motherfucker hot. Hey, y'all remember my trend I was telling y'all about? If the rubber stuck on your paint, then your shit's bad. See that, bro? Hey, y'all tap in if y'all want more content like this. Oklahoma's Most Hated.